Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Noris Bank online banking account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in norisbank.de. After you come across this official page, click on the login button in the top right corner. Here in this page, go ahead and fill in the information, that is branch, your customer number, your sub account and your PIN code. Now select the area that you wanna land in. Then click on execute login button. You can also log in by using VeryMe. In order to do that, click on the login with VeryMe button. Here you'll have to enter your email address. Then click on login or register button. After that, follow through the prompts and fill in the information that is required in order to log in. And that is how you can log into Noris Bank online banking account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.